Hi, I'm Natsumi with fitYOGAfit. Let's begin. Sitting down nice and tall. So now, use your palm to a little bit caress your legs. Thigh, knee, shins. Now make sure to sit on your seated bone. Okay, now inhale, exhale, wrap around your head with your palm. Exhale, drop your head to your right and drop your left shoulders down. Stretch your neck. Inhale as you exhale back to center. Now other side, inhale. Exhale, drop your head to your left. Drop your shoulders down. Inhale as you exhale back to center and release. And now slowly roll your head. One circle, two, and three. Now opposite circle, one, two, three. Back to center. Okay, now hug your elbows this way. Now pointing elbows up. And one, two, three, four, and five. Release. Other side, hug your elbows. And now elbow pointing up. Inhale, exhale, release. And now, slowly lay down on your back. Hug your knee and circle your foot. Make sure to do reverse circle. And now knee close to your chest. And open your knee to your armpit. Okay, now straighten this knee. And make sure to press your hips down. And stay there. Take 5 deep breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, now bring knee to the center and stretch out. Keep your legs flexed. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And now release. Now over to the side. Hug and circle your foot. Reverse circle. Now inhale, exhale. Bring your knee to your armpit. Stretch other knee and make sure to press opposite hip down. And let's take 5 deep breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Back to the center and now stretch. Keep your foot flexed. Hug your leg. And let's take 5 deep breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And now relax. Now hug. Put your right foot over your left knee and bring your knee close and either holding the back of your leg or around the knee. And widen your back. And let's take 5 deep breaths. 1. Use exhale to bring your knee close to your chest. 2. 3. 4. And 5. Now switch other side. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. Inhale, as you exhale, release. Okay, so now from here, bring your leg up. You can hold it there. Or if you want to have a little bit more whole back stretch, bring all the way over your head. And slowly, each vertebra roll back. And knee bend, heels close to your hips. And slowly inhale, tuck your tailbone, roll your back up. Shoulder, hip, knee, one line. Inhale, exhale, roll down. Activate each vertebra. Inhale, exhale, roll up. Inhale, exhale, roll down. This is a really great way to massage your back. Inhale. As you exhale, roll up. Inhale, exhale, roll down. Inhale, exhale, roll up. Inhale, exhale, roll down. Okay, now the sole of your feet together. Open your knee to the side. Inhale, deep. And exhale all the way out, all the way empty your air out. And relax. And for more like this, check out this next video. See you soon!